Did you know that you can increase your ECOM store's revenue by up to 10 to 15% just by maximizing your SMS channel? What I'm going to do in this video here is show you a live walkthrough of how to set up your pop-up forms step by step to capture the maximum amount of SMS subscribers for your brand, right? So without further ado, let's dive right in.
All right, so we're back, and basically what we already have here is a teaser, email opt-in, profile info, and success page. So let's take a look. All right, so we got the teaser, that's this thing, and the profile info, which is basically this thing collecting their birthday. So we're going to add a step, and it's going to be SMS opt-in. We're going to choose SMS subscribers because that's the list we already had. We're going to move this in between the profile info. Wait, what's going on? Should be an SMS opt-in here. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, actually, never mind. Don't do that. Just clone this. Clone this, and this is going to be the SMS opt-in. All right, so we do that, so the design gets cloned too. So let's delete this, and then move this over. All right, great. So we're going to need to change the picture here to an upgraded offer. But anyways, let's take a look at the flowchart. So for desktop, phone number field, we need to collect SMS consent, and then the buttons and SMS disclosure block success page. Okay, so basically this is just listing off the elements that we need. So we need a phone number block. Okay, so let's add, let's see, phone number over here. I can replace the email block. All right, great. Now let's get rid of the email block. All right, so we're gonna put this down here below this, whatever this is called. We're also gonna get rid of this text over here just to make some space. Now we have the SMS consent block or whatever by submitting this form, blah, blah, blah. So essentially this one comes after the email opt-in, and then this one comes after the SMS. All right, so this is basically the layout. So image on the left, offer here on the right, logo here at the top, and then phone number, and then we have the button to submit, and then this text right here. So I actually put that over here, the SMS consent text. So what you're gonna do is just copy and paste this, right? It's gonna be slightly different to what we have over here. All right, so the image is a little bit different here, but it doesn't matter that much. Now, obviously you wanna get the image to be the same on SMS as it is on mobile, or on mobile as it is on desktop. So this is a little bit like sort of too long, so we're going to shorten it a little bit. So let me show you how to do that. So click on edits, and then take this right here, copy paste it. We're going to throw that in here. All right. All right, and then what you want to do is replace company name with Circium, with the actual company name, Circium Jewelry. All right, cool. And then what you want to do is replace terms or link it to the actual terms page. So do they have a terms page? That's a good question. Privacy, return policies. Wow, they don't have one. That's inconvenient. So whatever. It really doesn't matter that much, but let's see if they have it. Terms. Oh, here we go. So this works for the terms. So copy paste this, and then plug this in right here. Boom. And if they don't have the privacy page, well, there's not really much you could do. You could try Googling it. Privacy. Yeah, they really just don't have a privacy policy. So, I guess just leave that blank. Nothing you can do about that. All right, and then what you're going to want to do is make this text smaller, so that it like doesn't, it's not super obvious. And we want this to be to match this, so let's make this text a bit smaller. There we go. So it's this one. All right, now let's see. All right, there we go. matches it a lot more, at least. So, and then make this a bit lighter so that it doesn't stand out so much. Oh, and then this one, terms. So link text, you want to shrink this as well. There you go, so that it matches, and boom. All right, so next step. Didn't we just make this lighter? What happened? There we go. Okay, so let's take a look at this. All right, so we have the phone number here and then a small button over here. So let's move these around a little bit. See if we can do it. Make this smaller. Stretch width, make it fit to text. And then change the text to, I guess, send in this case. There we go. All right, that looks better. Oh, looks kind of messed up though. All right, so looks like to fix this, we just got to start over with the new block here. So let's just put in a button block here. I have no clue why it's looking like that, but whatever. All right, so send. All right, and then fit this to text width or whatever. Rounded corners, I think is 6. Just copy all the formatting from this one. And corner radius 6, yep. And then the color, so just copy and paste this hex code. There we go. And the font, what is this weird font? Chapaz. Alrighty then. Font size 20, so let's up that. All right, cool. Okay, so action. You got to change this. So let's see what it says here. Action equals submit form. All right, boom. Now we're going to get rid of this one. Although, here, give me one sec. Profile property source. All right, list to submit. Go to SMS subscribers. And let's see. Show next step, I believe. Yep, that's correct. This one doesn't matter too much. So let's get rid of this. All right, perfect. It looks great. Nice. All right, cool. So this is looking good to go. Yep, and it transitions very smoothly from this one. All right, so then we're going to go to the success page. So we're going to want to change this. Oh, thank God, it's a text block. Perfect. So let's just take a look at this one. Thanks for signing up. Check your mobile device to confirm. All right, so success. This font. All right, so we might want to change this font actually, but let's see. All right, check your mobile device to confirm. SMS subscription. All right, let's change this to something more readable here. We could go with Chapaza again. Nope, doesn't look good. All right, we're going with Hoffler for now. All right, so that is the SMS sign up form. Now, what you still need to do is switch this out. Normally, you won't, because normally it's going to be a text block, but in this case, it's an image block. And yeah, so that's it for the desktop. I'll do the SMS in another video.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial of how to set up your SMS forms. If you want to learn how to set up your post-purchase flows or how to optimally design your emails, you can check out one of my in-depth tutorials about them here.